For a small business, every dollar counts, and putting money into AI can feel like a huge gamble. But the biggest financial risk of AI isn't the price tag, it's the cost of doing nothing. The decision is about uncovering hidden gains, like boosting morale by automating tedious work. There is an instrument designed to cut through this confusion, the AI ROI calculator. We'll show you how this tool helps you see past the price tag and make a smart investment plan. First, let's tackle the biggest myth, that AI is out of reach for small businesses. It's not. Many owners overestimate the upfront expense. A calculator shows how long-term savings quickly dwarf that initial number. But what about costs you don't see? A calculator forces you to consider the cost of preparing your data, a step many miss. The biggest hidden cost isn't tech, it's people. This tool prompts you to budget for training to actually make the AI work. By mapping all costs, it gives you a realistic total investment and projects your time to value for cash flow planning. So we've tallied the costs. But where is the real payoff? The true power is in revealing the full spectrum of returns. Many businesses get stuck thinking AI is only about saving money. An ROI calculator highlights new revenue opportunities. But how does a calculator put a number on better quality or happier employees? This is where it becomes a strategic model. Let's break it down. The tool quantifies quality by measuring the reduction in human error. Fewer mistakes means less waste. The most overlooked ROI is freeing up your best people. The calculator links this to innovation by valuing their new strategic work. The calculator helps you pinpoint which business processes will yield the highest return, allowing for a small, targeted first win. The theory is powerful, but seeing it in action makes it real. Let's see how a typical small business would use this tool. We asked how to quantify better service. An AI-powered CRM can track a 10% rise in retention. The calculator turns that into revenue. Imagine choosing between two AI marketing tools. The calculator lets you run scenarios for each, comparing costs and projected returns. You don't need huge data sets. A calculator can show a bakery how analyzing its sales data can predict demand, reducing waste. Think about one repetitive task in your business right now. That is your starting point for building a solid business case. Now let's go deeper. A great AI investment doesn't just pay for itself. A good model accounts for scalability as you expand. Let's revisit that cost of inaction. An advanced calculator can model what happens if your competitor adopts AI and you don't. This isn't a scare tactic. It's strategic forecasting. The tool frames the ROI in terms of protecting or growing your market share. Do you see the shift? The calculator moves from asking, "What will this cost?" to "Where will this take us?" It's future-proofing. Remember the hidden cost of lacking expertise and the benefit of freeing up staff? They're two sides of the same coin. Investing in training isn't just a cost. It's the mechanism to unlock your team's innovative potential. Ultimately, the numbers are just the output. The calculator's real value is forcing critical thought about your operations. So, an AI ROI calculator isn't a black box that gives a yes or no. It is a strategic compass that guides your decision. We've seen it dismantles myths, uncovers hidden costs and benefits, quantifies intangibles, and most of all, models your future. The tool helps you stop asking, "Can we afford to invest in AI?" and start asking, "How can we afford not to?" The real risk was never the initial price tag. It's letting uncertainty paralyze you while competitors get smarter and faster. Your first step isn't to buy software. It's to start thinking like the calculator. Identify just one bottleneck in your business. Sketch out the inputs. How much time does it take? What do errors cost? We've linked a simple ROI planning worksheet below to help. Don't guess about the future of your business. Calculate it.